Hi everybody, this is Dr. Saili Patil from Yashoda Hospital, Bhandup West. And today we will be dealing with this topic of follicular studies. How to do the follicular studies, why to do the follicular studies, and when to do the follicular studies. So let's turn out a little bit of basics about what it is actually. A follicular study is basically a serial ultrasound sonography being done for a patient of infertility. It gives us very important information regarding the patient's uterus, the endometrial lining, the ovaries, the follicles, how the follicles are growing, and successively we do track these follicles. When do we start doing these follicular studies? We generally ask the patient to come on day 2 or day 3 of her menses. And the scan we do at that point of time is called as the baseline transvaginal scan. This will show us the uterus and the ovaries at their most quiescent stage. The endometrium is generally very thin at this point of time and the ovaries are very quiescent. This gives us an advantage of ruling out any retention cyst before we actually go in for any ovulation induction, either for planned relation cycle or for IUI cycle or for any IVF cycle wherein we attempt to do a controlled ovarian stimulation. After the day 2, we generally ask the patient to visit us at an interval of around 3 to 4 days. Why? So as to track this growing follicle successively till it attains around 18 to 20 millimeter size. We also track the endometrial lining, wherein from a thin endometrial lining, the lining is supposed to develop into a beautiful triple line endometrium, generally going above 7 millimeters in thickness. Once the follicle attains maturity, if we have been tracking for a natural cycle, we wait for a couple of days more to see whether this follicle has ruptured and transformed into a corpus luteum. In cycles wherein we are attempting for an IUI, we generally give a trigger for such a patient and call the patient after another 36 to 48 hours for a repeat sonography so as to time her IUI properly. Now, what are the equipments required for doing this follicular studies? It is a very simple OPD procedure which hardly takes 5 minutes of your valuable time, but it helps me a lot in guiding your fertility treatment. It requires a simple ultrasound machine and a simple transvaginal probe. This is a transvaginal probe. We generally do the ultrasound under all aseptic precautions wherein we use a condom or a probe cover so as to cover the probe. So a condom is being utilized and the probe is loaded with this condom or a probe cover. So there is no need to get super anxious as to whether the doctor is following all hygienic precautions when the doctor is doing a transvaginal sonography. As you can see, the condom is always disposable and after every patient we simply remove and change this condom. So as friends, you can see this is a very simple, cost effective, painless ultrasound technique which is utilized for this simple study of follicular studies. So friends, give me 2 minutes so that I demonstrate you the same procedure on one of my patients. Today we will be showing you a live demonstration of the follicular studies that we do for the infertility patients. So come on, please have a look. So this patient is basically day 11 of her cycle. Now I introduce the probe and what is in, just have a look on the screen. What you can see in the midline is the uterus in the sagittal section. What you can see here is the endometrial lining for this particular patient. Okay. So we go towards the right side of the patient slowly to see her ovaries. Now what we can see inside the ovaries, we'll just have an in-depth look at it. This is the right ovary with the round hypoechoic things that you can see. Those are the follicles. So 1, 2, 3 follicles are being seen inside the right ovary. We go now slowly towards the left side of the patient and we scan for the left side ovary. So we can see the ovary here. This ovary definitely shows a reduced antral follicle count or reduced number of eggs inside the ovaries. Okay. So guys, this finishes our baseline follicular study done for most of the patients of infertility. As you can see, this is a relatively very painless procedure done on an OPD basis and it hardly takes 2 minutes of your valuable time. Thank you very much friends for giving a patient hearing for my video. If my video has helped you in any way, please click on the like button and share this video with as many friends and relatives as possible, especially those who are seeking fertility treatment. Thank you very much.